Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to upload a document into the Google Docs. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can visit this Google first, and you can also actually install it from your device such as the smartphone or even the tab, and here I will access it with my PC. And after that, don't forget to do the login first with your email. After the sign will be the initial of your name or the photo profile of your Google account. And after that, you will see 9 dots beside this profile, so you can click Google Apps, and after that you can click this Docs. So this will be the home page of the Google Docs over here. And if you would like to upload the file, you can simply direct your cursor into this Open File Picker, and after that you can put or tap or click this Upload and Browse. And after that, it will direct you into the folder that you can start to upload the picture and also where the folder is. And for example, in this download folder, I would like to upload this file. And of course, it's still on the Word format. And if you would like to upload it from the PDF, I will show you the result too. Don't worry. And also the length of the uploading process also depends on the how big the storage or the capacity of this file. For example, this file has 4.2 megabytes, so it can be take time or a bit longer than the file that who has only 500 kilobytes, for example. So make sure that you have also the good connection to make it faster to upload into this section, guys. So this will be the look when you already upload the file from your gallery. Not only upload, but it will also automatically be opened. And when you close it, don't worry, because it will be still saved, and you will see this is the saved file, guys. And for example, I will show you the PDF, for example, and if you would like to upload it in this Docs. And as you can see, when I click download, it actually has several files in the PDF format like this. And if I would like to upload it, it will not show, guys. So make sure that you have the file also in the Microsoft Office document, or maybe WPS document, or maybe like this, guys. And to upload this file, you don't have to open it from the Docs. You can actually open it or upload it from the Google Drive. So in this section, you can start to open the Google Apps again and click Drive, and it will direct you into this section about the several files you have already saved in this section and how to upload it. So you can start to click New and File Upload. For example, I will upload this one, and kindly wait for the uploading process. So you have already remember, guys, that I already opened the file over here about this cryptocurrency. And when you already upload the file in this Google Drives, so the file will not only save into this Google Drive, but also saved into this Google Docs. As you can see, it has double. This one was uploaded in this Google Docs, and this one was uploaded from this Google Drive. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.